Hey yo! So I have 4 moves to strengthen your back. Yes, a nice strong back. Move number 1, down in a tabletop position, hands under your shoulders, knees are in line with your hips. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that left arm out forward, that right foot back, and you're gonna keep a nice straight line. Bringing it gently in and out, making sure not to hyperextend that back. Move number 2, you're gonna need some bands. If you have the big bands, go ahead and put it around your feet. Grab onto it. Belly is in, shoulders are down, oh yes, and back is nice and flat. Go ahead and bring those elbows right along your side and squeeze those shoulder blades together. Now, if you only have a small mini band, here is what you do. Take the small mini band around one side, grab it with one arm, and you're just gonna do the same thing, doing a single side. Okay, down on the ground, here we go. Make sure to bring those arms all the way out. Bring them out to a T now. Chest is up, hips are pushing down into the ground. And now I'm going to squeeze my shoulder blades together, forming a T, really driving those hips into the ground. All right, next move, we need a single dumbbell hip hinge, and we're gonna do a single arm row. So as you're doing this row, make sure to fully extend that arm and bring that elbow straight to your side. And thank you so much for joining BrittanyKingLiveWorkouts.com.